Hello and welcome everybody. Very pleased to welcome you to today's session through Legal Futures. My name's Safta Mahmood and we're looking at this area of injunctions in personal protection cases today. Now, as you can imagine, this is an area that many family practitioners are often going to be needing to be familiar with and indeed need to advise on and possibly even go further and take proceedings on. So we need to think about how these orders work in terms of when they are breached, for example, what are the options. And with that in mind, I do want to look at some of the recent thinking and jurisprudence on this, and in particular this recent case of DS and AC, this recent decision handed down by Mrs. Justice Leven surrounding non-molestation orders and the procedure. So we're going to be looking at that. We're going to be exploring committal proceedings. And hence, what I want to do on this session is take you through some of the remedies for breach. We'll be looking at civil, criminal remedies. Which one is it? Is it both? Is it one? What could the police do without notice orders? Making sure we're complying with the President's guidance. And then how does this tie in with enforcement in terms of exclusion provisions? We'll look at a position with powers of arrest, section 47. We'll see how that ties in, use of undertakings, and what forms to use. So we'll have a look at that also. Okay, so we're looking at this as of July 2023. Now, first and foremost, then, to really understand this area of injunctions in personal protection and looking more at the enforcement side, you need to understand, of course, what type of orders are first and foremost even available. So then, we need to understand that so then we can think about enforcement of these. So a lot of what I'll be talking about today is contained within the Family Law Act Part 4. So this is the Family Law Act 1996 Part 4. You'll be familiar with some of the terminology here, associated persons. You'll be familiar with section 62, 63. That defines who can apply for these orders in terms of one being associated with the other. And remember,